In order to participate in an Adobe Connect meeting, you are going to need some hardware. The specifics will depend on your scenario, but we'll at least go over the basics. First, you will need a computer with a high-speed internet connection. If you are a student on the ETSU campus, then you can use any of the open computer labs, or you can connect your own computer to the on-campus network to receive a high-speed internet connection. Faculty and staff can use their own workstations. If you are located away from the ETSU campus, then you will need to find your own solution. Secondly, you may need a PC-compatible microphone and/or video camera. Most Adobe Connect meetings are held in order to allow multiple parties to communicate with one another. If you know that you will be required to speak during your meeting or provide video of yourself or your surroundings, then you may need to procure one or both of these items. Most laptops come pre-installed with both microphones and webcams that are ready to use. If you have a laptop with these devices installed, then that should be sufficient, but I do recommend that you use headphones. I will explain why in just a minute. If you are using a desktop computer, then you will likely need to obtain a separate device, or maybe even two, in order to transmit audio and video. PC microphones and cameras come in a wide variety of styles. You will even find some combination devices that act as both a camera and a microphone. There are no rules about what kind of device you need to obtain, just remember that you get what you pay for. Here are a couple of tips that might help you though. First of all, USB microphones tend to provide a better audio quality than microphones that use an analog connection. And secondly, in most cases, you will want to use headphones during your Adobe Connect meeting. This may impact your decision about what kind of microphone to get because you can either procure a headset microphone or use a pair of headphones along with a desk-mounted microphone. Using headphones can be very important because allowing your speakers to transmit sound can cause a variety of frustrations for everyone involved in your meeting. Here's what I mean. When someone speaks into their microphone while using Adobe Connect, their voice gets transmitted to everyone else and is output either to speakers or headphones depending on what each person is using. If you are using speakers, then another person's voice may come out of your speakers and then right back into your microphone. This can cause echoes, or at the very worst, a horrible high-pitched screeching noise called audio feedback. To avoid this problem, you should use headphones, which will safely deliver sound to your ears without creating all of the unnecessary noise for the other meeting participants. So, in summary, you're going to need a computer with a high-speed internet connection, a PC-compatible microphone, remembering that USB microphones typically offer better audio quality and a headset microphone will help eliminate noise. And lastly, you may need a PC-compatible camera. Once you have these items, you will want to make sure that they work prior to attending an Adobe Connect meeting. This will be your responsibility to figure out. There's such a wide variety of devices that it is difficult to provide a step-by-step guide for every scenario. Generally, you should start by making sure that everything is properly connected, then test out your microphone and camera using either the software that came with them or your operating system's device settings. Once you've got your hardware ready, it's time to perform some tests. We'll cover that in our next video.